Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the service marketing triangle. So, on one side of the triangle sits the company. On the other side, we are going to write the customer, and on the third side is the provider. Now, what is the service marketing triangle? The service marketing triangle is a strategic framework. We can call it as a strategic framework which tells the service firm, the organization, how should you align activities between your customer, company, and provider in order to ensure that whatever you have promised to the customer is being delivered accurately. So on this side, when the company is communicating with the customer, this side of the triangle is called external marketing. This is where the service firm will make the promise. What is this promise? This can be a communication promise which says that your food will be good, your flight will be on time, you will enjoy your flight, the flight will be very comfortable. External communication, if I have to go into depth, can be any communication which the service firm does. So this communication is before service delivery. So any which way the company is trying to communicate with the customer through ad, social media, salesperson before the service delivery, whatever promises the company makes is external marketing. Now let's go to the other side. On this side, the customer is interacting with the provider. Provider is the employee, provider can be a third party, provider can be a frontline employee whom the customer is interacting with. Now, this aspect when the customer is interacting with the provider is called as interactive marketing. And this is where the promises are delivered. So the customer might note how the employee is interacting with the customer, how well the service is being presented to the customer, how well the employee takes care of the customer. Whatever the customer was promised, is it being delivered or not? Whatever was told by the company, is it being met by the employees in the interaction between the customer and the provider? So this aspect is interactive marketing. On the large side, the company interacts with its employees. This aspect is called internal marketing. Here you can remember the word enabling the promise. So if I go into detail of this, here a lot of things can be written about organization, recruitment, training, development, motivation, rewards. Using all these techniques, a company tries to motivate its employees to enable the process. In a way, train the employees, keep them motivated, keep them rewarded, keep them happy in the organization so that they deliver to the customer what was promised. So, the service marketing triangle is a strategic framework which tells us how a company should align these three things. In other words, you can also say that this diagram shows us how important are employees and customers in an organization in order to make, deliver, and enable the promises of the service firm. This is the service marketing triangle. As always, do like, share, and subscribe our videos. Thank you.